In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted stories on Instagram. If you've accidentally removed a story, Instagram lets you restore it within a certain period before it's permanently deleted. First, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the menu icon in the top right corner and select your activity. Next, tap Recently Deleted. Here you'll find content that you've recently removed, including stories, posts, reels, and videos. Instagram keeps deleted stories in this section for up to 30 days. Find the story you want to recover and tap on it. Then tap the three-dot menu and select Restore. Confirm by tapping Restore again, and the story will be restored to your account. After restoring it, you can view the story in your archive if Story Archive is enabled on your account. That's how you can recover deleted stories on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.